Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that every person who has ever tried to achieve something meaningful has experienced setbacks. Yes. A setback is when something you were working towards suddenly goes wrong, stops, or moves backward instead of forward. Your business plan does not work out, your health takes an unexpected turn, a relationship you valued falls apart, a goal you were close to achieving slips away. These moments are painful, discouraging, and sometimes genuinely shocking. But here's something important that most people do not realize in the moment a setback happens. A setback is not the end of your story. It is a chapter in your story, and some of the most important chapters in anyone's life have started with a painful setback that eventually redirected them towards something for better than what they originally planned. The way you respond to a setback determines everything. Two people can experience the exact same setbacks, and one person uses it as a reason to give up permanently, while other uses it as information, adjusts their approach, and eventually succeeds. The setback itself is not what decides the outcome. The response does. When a setback happens, the worst thing you can do is make a permanent decision based on temporary feeling. In the immediate aftermath of a setback, emotions are intense and clearly thinking is difficulty. Give yourself time to process the disappointment. Allow yourself to feel it honestly. But do not let that feeling make your most important decision for you. Every setback carries a lesson inside it, even when it does not feel that way at first. The job you did not get taught you something about what you truly want. The relationship that ended revealed something important about what you need. The plan that failed showed you a better way forward. So today, if you are in the middle of setback, remind yourself of one thing. This is not the end. This is the part of your story where you find out what you are truly made of. Thank you.